TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we got markets oscillating right at around even. You're looking at an S&P right now, positive by 1 point. We zoom in on the action. Quite the acceleration to lower prices just after noon Eastern Time. Below 37.70 in the S&P futures. We've bounced about 25 points off those lows right now, 37.94 right now. NASDAQ 100, quite the same story. We trade lower right out of the gate. I mean, look at this. We're talking about 15-minute bars, so in 45 minutes, you trade from 12,927 to below 12,780, so about 150 points. Since that, we've got back more than 100 of those, 12,890. The Dow is positive 56 points, 30,960. You're talking about 200 points down and up there. Russell, talk about leading the way, 2118 right now, up 1.4%. Bitcoin bouncing off the lows. Bitcoin's up $1,315. I put this on a Fibonacci earlier today, folks. You go from the highs of Friday to the lows of Monday. We bounced about a 50%. The moves, pretty remarkable when you're talking about $3,000, maybe even $6,000 moves in no time in that Bitcoin market. We jumped to commodities. Crude back above $53, $53.07. Gold's off $3 at $18.47. And how about notes and bonds? Catching quite a pop right now, but we're still looking at, to pull it up, you're looking at a yield right now as I go to the chart. A 10-year yield at this price level, we're now down off 2 ticks, 136.11. You're still talking about a yield approaching 1.15%, about 10 basis points, 10 or 11 basis points away from 1.25%. We'll jump over to the VIX. Got a little bit of a pop in the VIX as we saw the market cascading lower, just above 25, and just like that, we're back to 2360 in the volatility index. All right, let's jump around to some of the stocks with action today. How about Uber? One of my favorites, charging higher, 7.5, almost 8%. It was up at 1 point, 59.32 on Uber. Checking out the news, really. And let's see what these ones are saying. Yeah, so they have a collaboration going with Moderna to provide access, credible information on vaccine safety. Also talking about stories out there last night that they've been lobbying elected officials, Uber and Lyft, to be part of the vaccination process, making sure that transportation is not in any way an impediment to anybody looking to get that vaccine as it gets rolled out. Nonetheless, Uber up about 7.6% today. You put that on a daily, there's an acceleration above that consolidation. Stay tuned, folks. We got Dave White coming up now. Tom O'Brien, my dad, live at 3. We'll be right back.